All right. Good morning from the backyard, everybody. And by the way, what an interesting backyard with the chickens over here in the potted plants. Now, you'll have to pardon me for not having my face on yet. I haven't powdered my nose because yesterday we asked the lovely Mba Atun, who you guys know, if we could make video of her making rendang because she makes the best rendang in the whole world. And so Ivana and I woke up this morning cup of coffee, and I didn't realize you got to start making rendang before breakfast. So the lovely Mba Atun is already cooking. We might have accidentally missed half the process. Mba Atun.
Ini masak rendang.
Rendang.
Ya, tapi bumbunya belum komplit.
Ini apa?
Ini jahe, kunyit, kemiri, lada, terus bawang merah, bawang putih, cabai.
Bagus.
Pakai serai, daun jeruk, daun salam, lengkuas.
And then she blend it all together
Liatin aku saja.
and put oil and make the paste. So many ingredients. We will list the English words for you guys.
Wow.
I lost it in translation as well.
All right, so Mba Atun is already starting the job.
Oh.
Makasih ya.
Ini daging.
Makasih Mba Atun.
Steve is gonna blend more chilies
Oh,
and
di blender.
onions.
Padas.
Di blender, tapi nggak pedas sih.
Not padas.
Nggak.
Oh my gosh. So shout out to Mba Atun. I have been telling people for the past, I'm not sure, maybe 3 or 4 years now, that rendang is the best food in the world. I really believe that to be true. I didn't realize that the rendang that I had fallen in love with is actually Javanese rendang from the island of Java. So it was like 4 or 5 years ago, and I showed up to Ivana's house here. This is Ivana's father's house. And I was a shy young bule, and Mba Atun made rendang, and I fell in love with it. I didn't realize that so many times I've recommended people to try rendang, and they got maybe Malaysian rendang, or maybe Indonesian, or maybe all these different types. But in the end, the best rendang ever made is Mba Atun's Javanese rendang. So let's go with the flow here.
Use this. This is daun kunyit. That means turmeric leaves. I've never heard of turmeric leaves. I've heard of turmeric, the yellow powder, or the yellow kind of like ginger-like roots. But this is the leaves. So use it.
Mba Atun, Javanese rendang.
Jawa, dari Jawa. Rendang Jawa.
Jakarta juga, bukan dari Jawa. Betawi.
Jakarta rendang.
Kalau Jawa nggak ada rendang.
Jakarta rendang.
In Java means Jakarta is in Java, but means like Jogja or.
Okay, so I stand corrected yet again. You'll have to forgive the beginning of this vlog. Yvonne and I were waking up, doing our stretches, preparing for the rendang vlog, and Mba Atun was already in the throes of battle. So big shout out to Mba Atun. Jakarta rendang.
Oh.
Jakarta rendang with turmeric leaves.
And lemongrass.
I don't think you're gonna find turmeric leaves in Canada. Is it possible?
I've never seen it. This is the first time I saw it in my life. Seriously. I've seen turmeric roots, but not leaves.
And you, dari Jakarta?
See? I mean, yes.
Dari Sao Paulo, I think. Sing. Okay, so cue the music and we'll do the cooking montage. Preparing the best food ever made, Mba Atun's rendang.
Oh, such. And lemongrass.
Santannya udah ini, daging masuk. Rendangnya Mba Atun enak.
Enak.
Paling enak.
Correct. Paling enak. Mba Atun rendang.
Rendang Mba Atun enak.
Enak.
Mantap.
Mantap.
Terus.
Oh.
Much better. Much better. Ready. Gulai approved.
Ngomong apa non?
Coconut
Oh, apa
milk.
ini?
Santan.
Santan. Coconut milk.
Santan.
Coconut milk. So, rendang lunch? No, dinner.
Sore.
Sore. Ya sekitar jam 1 nanti banget.
Oh, she said around 1 o'clock it will be.
Okay, lunch rendang.
Now it's like what, 9?
I think it's like 6:30 in the morning right now. Hold on. Eggs in the rendang?
Iya.
No.
Terus santannya. Ini apa?
Itu telur rendang.
Ya, ini, itu, sini.
Ini.
Ini,
Satu.
sini. Masuk sini semua.
Oh my gosh. Did you know there's eggs in rendang?
No.
Oh my gosh.
But you can. Gula Jawa. Oh.
Gula Jawa.
Which means palm sugar.
Kalau tumpah aku nggak mau nukerin nih. Anda pakai video mulu. Lagi masak rendang sama gulai. Pasti di perut.
And time. What do you say, Ivana? 10 minutes? 15 minutes?
Chrissy probably prepared this for like 10 minutes. Yeah, that's right. It's very quick.
Don't blink or you'll miss it. Mba, selesai.
Selesai.
Selesai. Oh my gosh, that was very impressive. So, about 10 minutes of ingredients, and now just sit. Let it sit.
Let it sit.
Okay, makasih ya.
Ya.
Makasih Mba Atun. All the credit goes to Mba Atun. So guys, we're a little torn. We were gonna want to give you the recipe, but then again, maybe we can't give out.
Masak kangkung.
Is that kangkung?
Kangkung. You know kangkung?
Mau ditumis kangkungnya.
Rendang? No.
Rendang sama kangkung.
Rendang
Asian
and
spinach.
spinach and eggs in the rendang. Okay.
Itu yang
This is
kangkung.
not in the rendang.
Oh, not for
Different,
rendang.
a side dish.
Ah, can. Okay, ask Mba Atun if we can give the recipe online or if she wants to keep it secret. Ask.
Boleh resepnya boleh dibagi-bagi orang?
Boleh. Resep yang boleh.
Boleh Ken? Boleh. Okay, Ken.
Kalau gudeg banyak yang minta resep nggak tak kasih di sini. Kalau gudeg kan yang di Indonesia.
There's
Kalau ini kan
another Indonesian food called gudeg. She said that one is secret. I won't share it.
Oh, the gudeg recipe? Secret.
nggak boleh.
Nggak boleh.
Khusus Mba Atun yang tahu.
Only her knows how to.
Oh.
Soalnya gudegnya enak punya Mba Atun. Di Blok M aja kalah.
Because she also has the best gudeg in the world.
Terbaik
Everyone
rendang,
is
terbaik
asking
gudeg.
her.
Wow.
Everyone is asking her for the recipe and she won't
Cannot.
give it out.
Okay, all credit goes to Mba Atun. In a couple hours, we'll have rendang. And maybe next week, we'll do some gudeg. Which, by the way, what is gudeg? I don't even know what it is.
It's like food from Jogja.
Oh, Jogja food.
Yeah, Jogja food. This is the house where I grew up.
This is the house Ivana grew up in. Okay, let's hang out for a bit, and then we'll see you guys when it's time to makan rendang. Bye-bye. Ready? Oh, the best rendang ever made.
done?
With eggs in it this time. I never saw before.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
something new.
I'm so happy. Makan. Okay, first things first, some rice. Oh, thank you, Mba Atun. So helpful. Okay. Pro tip is eat less rice so you have more room for rendang.
Ini buat rendang apa buat nasi?
Oh, you want to make for Ivana too? Okay. Don't be so selfish. When rendang in the room, I forget about my wife.
Udah.
Okay. Good.
Nih.
Rendang. Now, why is this the best rendang ever made? The sauce, so thick. Look how thick the sauce. Oh yeah.
Ini telur, aduh dipotong.
Oh,
dah.
I broke the egg. Sorry, don't play with your food,
Itu
Steve.
dagingnya. Ininya nggak usah. Nah, tuh
Ini?
daging.
Ini?
Jangan.
No. Okay.
Bumbu.
Kapish. Rendang. You put here or here?
Ambil daging.
Too much.
Ya.
Okay. More sauce.
Gini nah.
Look. This is the best part, guys. This sauce. Oh my gosh. It's as thick as... You know what it's like? It's as thick as the satay sauce. Peanut sauce. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Okay, makan. Okay, makan.
Kamu ambil diri apa diambilin? Udah. Nih. Ininya jangan. Ya Allah. Itu mau nggak makan, ini makan lawu.
Sometimes I can't tell.
Ini
I can't tell if Mba Atun is mad at me or happy.
Ini nggak usah.
No egg for you?
Telurnya nggak mau. Sini. Ini lengkuas.
I'm doing it wrong. Oh, look how good it looks. Oh my gosh. Okay, story time. It is 4 years ago, my first time in Indonesia, meeting Ivana's family. Very nervous. Don't speak any Indonesian and don't eat any food. Don't like spicy, don't like fish, don't like eggplants, don't like tomatoes, don't like mushrooms, nothing. So everyone's so kind to me, Ivana's family, making huge tables of food, and all I can eat on the end is like chicken and rice. And there's like so much food that I cannot enjoy. And so finally, after a few days, Mba Atun makes this rendang, and it was the first food in Indonesia that I really loved and I really enjoyed. And from that moment on, rendang from Mba Atun, best food ever made. Big chunks of beef. Big chunks of beef. And I love how the sauce is thick. I don't like the soupy rendang. Oh my gosh, the best. The best. So many chilies inside, but not very spicy.
Not really.
Not very spicy, and you taste lemongrass. The flavor is
chili. It's a big chili.
because it's the big chili.
Yeah.
The flavor is so good. The flavor is so rich and deep. And I think I never had it with egg before. First time with egg, no?
Right.
But really good. Honestly, the rendang sauce is so good. You could just eat rice and rendang sauce with no beef. Seriously. You could just eat rice and rendang sauce. Absolutely so good. 5 stars. Let's be clear. 6 stars. Let's be very clear.
Wow.
Are you ready? 7 stars. Best food
Really?
ever made. This is my favorite food ever.
No way.
Mba Atun rendang.
Say Mba.
Mba.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Mba Atun rendang. Best food on all of Earth. I'm telling you. They just sell this at gourmet restaurant. When you eat this food, you go to another place. You go to a different dimension. Oh my gosh, the best. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching our video. Shout out to Ivana doing the camera work.
Let's eat, man.
Looks so good.
Look at this. Look at big chunks of meat.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Very good.
Be honest. Do you feel spoiled when your whole life growing up you just had this every day? Maybe you didn't realize what you were missing.
Probably.
When you went to Canada, did you feel sad?
This is also my favorite food in the whole wide world.
Mba Atun rendang.
Yeah.
Is right?
Yeah.
The best food. The best food.
Mbak, tolong. Nggak boleh begitu.
Best.
Enak, emang enak.
Terbaik. Enak.
Terenak.
Terenak.
Mbak gitunya, Mbak didilatin, Masya Allah. Nggak boleh didilatin. Enak banget ya?
Enak.
Is it that good? She's asking.
Mba Atun.
Iya.
Hello.
Halo.
Where? Di mana? Where? Mana? Where? Learn.
You showered.
Learn Belajaran. Learn.
Baru mandi, Pak.
Learn is Belajaran.
Learn is belajar.
Di mana? Belajaran. Cook. I say cook.
Mbak tahu cara belajar
Bikin rendang.
Gimana ya?
Caranya. Dari mana?
Dari mana?
Ya di sini, kerja di sini, lama-lama bisa bikin, bisa masak, bikin rendang.
Tapi kok bisa tahu?
Bisa tahu dulu almarhum Mbak Siti.
Oh,
Dari almarhum Mbak Siti.
from working here, Oh gosh, I need to be in front of camera. I just took shower. Anyway, she learned how to cook when she started working here. Her sister, her older sister here, used to be the cook before her.
Oh.
Yeah, so she
her
learned
job is
from
cook.
her older sister.
Her job is cook.
Yeah.
Best. How long she's working here?
Mbak udah berapa lama sih kerja di sini?
Dari tahun 90.
From the 90s. I mean, 1990. Before you were born.
Oh, 1990.
Yeah, 1990.
Oh, 32 years.
1990.
Older than me.
Yeah.
She has more experience making rendang than I have been alive.
Right.
True. Oh, okay. Javanese.
Orang Jawa kan, Mbak?
Jawa.
Jawa.
Semarang. Jawa Semarang. Jawa Semarang.
Semarang. From Semarang.
Oh.
Orang Semarang.
Oh.
Semarang. Orang Semarang.
Dari tahun 90 di sini.
Oh.
Makanya pinter masak kan?
Oh.
That's why she's pintar.
Good.
Masak.
Masak.
Masaknya enak, rendang kemarin.
Enak. Terbaik.
Terbaik. Benar.
Iya.
Oh.
Good.
Good.
Makasih ya.
Oh iya.
Oke.
Udah situ doang.
That's it?
That's it. Anything you'd like to say to the people on YouTube?
Mau ngomong apa, Mbak? Apa?
Di apa ini? Masukin apa nih?
Masukin YouTube.
YouTube. Malu lah dimasukin YouTube.
She said she's shy.
Oh no. I don't believe this.
Mau balik ke sono kapan?
When are you going back? Or when are you leaving?
Here?
Yeah.
3 I say weeks?
Minggu.
3 minggu.
Tapi udah di sini mang udah ada 3 minggu.
Belum.
Balik kampung Canada.
Oh, ke Kanada?
No.
Oh, no.
Romania.
Oh.
Balik kampung Romania.
Iya, bukan di Kanada.
Oh.
Kalau ke Kanada kan tempatnya ibu. Ini kan enggak ya, deketan ya.
From where my mom lives in Canada.
Mba Atun ke sana aja ya.
She said,
Diajak ke
I'm
sana.
going there, okay?
Boleh.
Boleh, bener.
Come Canada. Balik kampung Canada. Ken.
Mbak balik kampung ke Kanada.
Ke Kanada. Aku
Boleh.
ke sana aja. Tapi nggak berani naik pesawat.
Mbak she's scared of flying.
No problem. Swim.
Berenang aja, Mbak.
Ya udah.
Okay. Makasih.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, we will be here all day hanging out with Mba Atun. Best cook and great conversation. Thanks for watching. Bye.